Hi, welcome to Little Learners Club.
It's for beginners. Let's have fun learning.
Yeah, join the club today.
Learn objects.
Wow, look at this funny object. Ready? Let's learn and play. This is a vacuum cleaner. This is a chair. This is a bed. This is a stool. This is a fridge. Cool. This is a spoon. Yum. This is a door. Knock. This is a toy. This is a fan. This is a TV. This is a table. This is a mirror. This is a microwave. This is a washing machine. This is a light. This is a tap. This is a blender. This is an iron. This is a teapot. Sit and shut. This is a soup. Bubbly. This is a broom. Clean your room. This is a toaster.
Wow, great job, Cakes. You learned so many objects today. Let's clap together.
See you next time, little star. Bye-bye.